Welcome to the installation guide for Advansol Module Level Control Solution MRO, Full Function Optimizer. This video is for the installation of the MRO series microcontroller, model APTMC MRO. Product introduction and unboxing. Please open the packaging box before installation. Ensure all accessories are included. Display of MRO series module level full function optimizer microcontroller. Before installation, please make sure the DC side of the inverter is turned off. Carry out construction only after taking appropriate safety precautions. MRO, Full Function Optimizer, Installation Method. The recommended mounting position of the MRO, Full Function Optimizer, is at the top back of the PV module. There are two installation methods. You may choose the appropriate method based on site conditions. Method A, in the frame holes on the back of the PV module. Insert T-bolts and M8 nuts. Place the MRO optimizer and fasten it securely. Method B, in the groove of the PV mounting bracket. Insert T-bolts and M8 nuts. Place the MRO optimizer and fasten it securely. After confirming the installation position, remove the SN label on the left side of the microcontroller. Stick the label onto the corresponding square on the physical layout diagram. MRO, Full Function Optimizer, Wiring Method. Connect the IN and IN+ of a single MRO to the module's output. Connect OUT+ or OUT to the adjacent MROs, OUT or OUT+ accordingly. Note, you will hear a click when the connection is secure. MRO, Full Function Optimizer, Installation Check. MRO Installation Verification. Connect the OUT and OUT+ of a single MRO to a multimeter as shown. The voltage of a single device should be less than 1 V. For the string containing MRO devices, connect the DC bus positive and negative terminals to the multimeter. The string voltage should be less than 30 V. This concludes the installation of the MRO series module microcontroller.